right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the wonderful Joe Bill.
This is Alec Shea.
And I think we're going to do a little bit more improv for you. How does that sound? Yeah.
So let's get both things.
Both things?
So this is a waiting room. This is a waiting room for what?
A bank.
A waiting room for a bank. All right. Cool.
So like the waiting room before you go into the bank, or the waiting room inside the bank?
Or like when they hold you before you're going to go talk to a banker or something. Like, how's it work in
Or like the
Germany?
holding room after you attempt to rob it?
Oh no, that would be the police station, Alec.
Yeah, no, I think the waiting room.
I mean, is bank okay?
Yeah.
that
Yeah, I
good
think
for-
bank is good.
I habitually take first suggestions.
No, I like it. Yeah, waiting room before you sort of go up and talk to the teller at a bank.
Sure. And then do you want to get a song lyric?
Yeah, I think that sounds nice. What's a song lyric that someone that just means a lot to you, or that you think just sounds really nice?
I saw her face.
And I saw her face. I like that.
And I saw her face, and I'm a believer.
And I saw her face, and I'm a believer.
Fantastic. We take you now to this waiting room at a bank. Oh, yeah. Some people still use them.
What, banks?
Traveler's checks.
Oh,
Traveler's checks. You use traveler's checks?
no.
No, you don't?
No, what's that?
You don't know what a traveler's check is? You go to the bank, you get a traveler's check. You give the bank your money, they give you a traveler's check, and then they're insured in case you lose something. You go somewhere, and then you lose your traveler's check, and then you can call the bank, and then they'll mail you more traveler's checks.
So it's like a
You probably
it's like a Visa travel card, but
yeah, no, you do the electronic stuff probably.
Yeah.
Don't trust it.
yeah, I guess I kind of get that.
I collect traveler's checks from just different places. So I'm just here to see if they give me some traveler's checks. I travel.
Right. I mean, well, they don't call them home checks. Sorry.
You still write checks? Did you ever write checks? You know what a check is? You ever write a check? You never wrote a check?
No.
Ever? You never ever wrote a check?
Just
Oh, fuck, you're soft. Soft.
you sound like my dad.
I bet he's a good man. I bet your dad's a good man.
Well, he
What's
never
your
told
dad's
me-
name?
Baron.
Baron.
Yeah.
That's direct. That's a direct name.
Yeah.
Hard on you, Baron? Baron's hard on you?
I mean, yeah.
Are you a junior?
No.
Yeah, probably
No,
not.
No.
Probably not. You're not a Baron.
So you're kind of mean.
Huh? No, oh shit, I'm sorry. No, I'm very kind.
Oh. I mean, my dad never taught me about traveler's checks, so maybe he wasn't that good.
There's more to being a father than just traveler's checks.
Nice that one of you
Hi,
knows
I'm Chuck.
that.
Good to meet you. Yeah, what is that?
Sorry.
Hi, I'm Chuck. Good to meet you. There you
Lillian.
go. Yeah, I'm Chuck Jr. My dad was Chuck Sr. My dad taught me how to shake hands. Look at this. I'm looking you in the eye. I'm shaking your hand.
I can.
Baron never taught you that?
No.
Okay. Okay. That's why you use electronic banking. Probably. I'm sorry. I'm cranky. I'm a little cranky.
Yeah, a little nervous.
Why are you nervous? What are you nervous about?
I got scammed.
How'd you get scammed? Electronic? Yeah, electronic.
Yeah.
See, when you give the bank your money and you buy the traveler's checks, that's like a one-for-one transaction. There's no fees involved. They give you the traveler's checks for the same amount of money you give them. Then your traveler's checks are insured. Got that? They're insured, so it's a one-to-one transaction. You take your traveler's checks, you carry them with you. Hopefully, like I got a belt here. See this zipper? See this zipper? You can hide your traveler's checks right there. But if somebody steals your belt, you're fucked. But the traveler's checks are insured, right? So then what you do is you call your bank and you say, somebody stole my traveler's checks. You give them the address of the hotel where you're staying, and then they mail the checks to you at your hotel. In a couple days, you got your traveler's checks back. How'd you get scammed?
I put my information into a website that wasn't as legit as I thought it was.
What kind of website? Porn, one of those porn websites probably?
I was trying to get a home
Bitcoin? Bet it was some Bitcoin or some fake shit like that?
I was trying to get a home loan.
A home loan?
Yeah. None of the banks would give me one, so I tried this online bank. And
Hold on.
it's a shame they didn't take traveler's checks.
An online bank? It's an online bank. Like you buy that?
I did. Guess I don't anymore. might have to buy a belt.
Well, that sucks. I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that.
Where are you going with your traveler's checks, Chuck?
See, I don't give away information as freely as you do.
I feel like I'm starting to.
Did we get to your name? It's not Baron Jr.
No, Lillian.
Lillian.
Yeah.
Lillian. All right.
I think
Lillian.
kind of feels like maybe my dad has a sense of humor.
Sure.
Not very good at teaching, but good at naming his son weird.
Yeah, your posture says he didn't give you a lot of approval. That's a
Didn't give
drag.
me- no.
My dad, he challenged me, taught me how to shake hands, you know. He broke my spirit, that's why I sit like this. He broke my spirit, but I'm okay having my spirit broken. See what I'm saying? Once you have your spirit broken, then there's no spirit left to be broken. So then you're just here, you know, sitting in a chair, waiting to see if I can get traveler's checks from this place. See what I'm saying?
Kind of sounds like you're sacrificing your spirit for power or something.
Sacrifice. It's all about sacrifice,
Right.
Lillian. Lillian?
Yeah, Lillian.
That's a name, boy. Lillian. That's a name. That is a name. Yeah. Well, I'm sorry that happened to you.
Thanks.
Does Baron know? I'm sorry. Is he still with us? Your dad's still with us?
Maybe.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh, Lillian. Wow. Yeah, that's rough. That's rough.
So your dad taught you about traveler's checks? Like he
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
after school
That's
he'd
all he used, traveler's checks.
give you like traveler's check
He
lessons?
didn't give me traveler's check lessons?
Is that like what a father does?
Gives traveler's check lessons? My dad just wrote traveler's checks. I was a child. They had curiosity.
Oh, I thought you said he taught you about them.
Well, he taught me about them by example. He led by example. You can lead by talking or you can lead by example. That's one of the things he said.
I could lead by my father's example and
and
Go
leave
away.
and take off.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Wow, man, I was amused for a second, and then that was not good.
No, it was a joke.
That's good. It's good you can have humor about that. He left.
Yeah.
How old were you?
15.
Oh, fuck, man.
Yeah.
That's bad. Puberty, though? Already hit puberty? Look down
Not
there, you got
quite.
some hair going on. You're a man, right?
Like another year or two.
Later? Late bloomer?
Yeah.
Late bloomer?
Yeah.
Fuck, Lillian.
It's
Man, I'm sorry.
It's Lillian.
Did I say Lillian or say Lillard?
You said it doesn't matter.
Damon Lillard's a basketball player. Portland Trailblazers. Probably doesn't mean anything to you. Lillian. I like that. My great-grandmother's Lillian. Lillian O'Connell Moran Fitzgerald. She is a little Irish.
My grandma was just Gran.
Gran?
Yeah.
Barron's mom?
Yeah. Didn't know her very well.
Oh, fuck, you're a goddamn tragist story. Wow. Wow.
At least I got a sense of humor.
Yeah, you sure do. You sure do.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so what? Now you're here, trying to get your identity back or something.
Yeah. I'd make a claim. I don't know.
Make a claim.
Is that what people do when they get scammed?
I don't know if that's aggressive enough. Probably ought to be more than aggressive. Was it? So you put your stuff in an online bank,
Yeah.
and so that was like another bank, and you gave them this bank's information. Is that what happened?
Well, yeah, kind of.
So
Sounds dumb.
So no, I'm just trying to understand this whole electronic shit.
So
right? I got an ATM card. I'm not a fucking idiot. I go to the ATM. I can put a card in, right? When I'm home.
I mean, I guess you have to, otherwise.
Yeah.
How would you get money from the bank without having to come here?
Traveler's checks.
But don't you need to come to the? Never mind.
I went to the bank before I left home. I bought some traveler's checks. I got my ATM card in my wallet just in case I need the ATM card, but I don't like it. You know why? People steal your identity when your ATM card. They have ways they can steal, and I'll bet. Well, you probably use your phone, right? Probably use your phone to do some bank. You're here. And you went to it because they wouldn't give you a house loan because these cocksuckers won't give you anything unless they're making money off it because that's their job. Every dollar, every euro, every denomination, everything. You know what their job is? Take one of these and make 10 of them. That's their fucking job. Look at that. Look at that. Right here in my belt. See? And so then you went to another bank that's online.
Yeah.
And then you went and you put the information from this bank into that online bank. And so now this bank has to do some shit with that bank.
I think so. I mean, honestly, I don't think the other place was a real bank. I think it was just.
They have a website? Is that what you did? You go to like a website?
Yeah.
What did it say?
It said homeloanbanking.com.
That seems
I
legit.
thought like
what else are you going to call yourself? Homeloanbanking.com.
I really thought if they could get a domain like that they must be legit. But
I mean, what do I know? But so homeloanbanking.com. If I had to do it, that's what I'd type in. Homeloanbanking.
That's what I typed in.
.com.
I went to Google and I typed in homeloanbanking.com and they were the.
Oh, Google.
Yeah.
Oh, see.
Oh.
Yeah. See.
Right. Okay.
See?
They're part of this whole thing.
Oh, yeah. It's one guy, right? Google, isn't that one guy? It's all just one guy.
I don't think so.
I don't know. Probably. No? Not one guy?
I mean, I'm just a barista.
Okay. Coffee guy.
Coffee guy.
All right. Tell me this. Where's the best coffee from? Where is it from?
Starbucks.
No, the country, you moron.
Oh.
Where's the best coffee from?
USA. I'm sorry. I haven't traveled. If I had, maybe I'd know about traveler's checks.
I feel bad for you, Lillian.
I get that a lot.
Your dad just left and he never came back. You ever go looking for him?
No.
Yeah, one day you will. Right.
Maybe.
Yeah, one day you will.
Have to travel sometime.
Yeah, that's
when I
right.
do, I'll take a traveler's check.
Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will.
I'll buy a belt and I'll get a traveler's check from the bank, but I give the money and they give me one, and then I put it in my belt, and then I just hope my belt doesn't get stolen, because then I guess if I'm not in my home country, I have to like fly back home and then go to the bank to get the insurance.
Are you letting me parent you right now? Is that what happened? Am I being your parent right now?
I don't think so.
I mean, it seems like you just said what I said. I mean, that's what a son does. He says what his dad says, right? That's what a son's job. Say what your dad says, right? Unless your dad fucks off and leaves, then you got to show him one day. I mean, I don't know. I'm just guessing.
I mean, my opinion of parenting is that the dad says fuck off. So if that's what I'm supposed to do.
Oh man, that's deep hurt right there. That's some deep hurt, man. Oh man. Ooh, wow.
So.
Wow. Okay, all right, you ready? I'm not going to say where, but I learned the question to ask you right now. You ready?
Yeah.
How does what you just said feel in your body?
It kind of feels bad, and that's why I make a joke, because jokes make people laugh.
Yeah, but what's underneath that? I'm gonna do like 5 of these, so. What's underneath that?
It fucking sucks.
Yeah, what's underneath that?
Like, so much anger.
Deeper, keep going.
I don't know, a traveler's check? What am I supposed to say,
No, what's
man?
deeper? You got so much anger. What's under the anger? What's under there?
Fucking
Yeah.
nothing.
Yes, and yeah, they're coming out your eyes. What's under there right there? You gotta cry it out, Lillian. Fucking cry it out.
I'm a fucking idiot. I got scammed.
Yeah, you motherfuckers better give him his money back. See
fuckers.
Yeah, see what we just did there?
Is that what I should do?
How do you feel? How's that feel in your body? How's that feel?
Cathartic?
Yeah, wow, that's a big word. Okay, that's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you got to go, assert yourself.
As soon as they call my number, just...
Oh, fuck, are we supposed to take a number? Are we supposed to take a number?
Yeah, that's what the machine is at the door.
Oh, no, the guy told me to just go sit here and wait. I came in, I said, I'm gonna get some fucking traveler's checks. I'm running around catching traveler's checks, and then he rolls his eyes. I've seen that before, right? And he says, just go over there and wait. And you got a number?
Yeah, I mean...
Well, I'm here after you, so I'm gonna go right after you. Unless you want me to go in there with you.
Let's go up there together and just say, hey, fuckers!
Wow.
Give me all the money!
No, not that! No. Okay, hold, no, not that.
Sorry, I'm maybe getting carried away.
You need your balls to be bigger, but not that big.
Okay.
Just like a little swollen.
So a man has like big balls, but not uncomfortably big.
Yeah, sure. Nah, I'm not gonna go there. Listen, no, like you had the fire in you though, right there, right? And so, I kind of feel responsible for you. Right now, I'm feeling responsible for you. Right now, I'm feeling responsible for you. Got a couple kids of my own. Haven't seen them in a while. And here we are.
Are they called Chuck Jr.?
No, I wouldn't do that to him. They could have changed their name by now, but I wouldn't, I wouldn't do that. Brian and Glenn, my boys, Brian and Glenn. Yep. They're probably mid to late 20s by now, something like that.
Whoa, what do they do?
Huh?
What do they do for like work and stuff?
Yeah, I don't give away a lot of personal information. But I'm sure
Fuck, I shouldn't have told you that I got scammed.
I mean, why? No. I mean, you already gave it up. You gave up the information. My boys are out there in the world. I'm sure they're doing great. I'm sure. I taught them to be self-reliant. That means they don't have to call me ever. So, now I meet you. Now I got something. Now I got something to focus on. Now I got something to focus on.
Sounds like that must be really tough. It's almost like,
Oh, I'll bet they are.
Their dad did walk out on them. They probably wouldn't even care.
I tell myself that sometimes. Life's hard. Life's hard.
When's the last time you saw Glenn? And
Been a while. It's been a while. I didn't walk out. I joined a self-help movement in the forest. You ever hear of the tree screamers? You ever hear of the tree screamers?
Tree screamers.
I
mean, in Dungeons and Dragons, that's like a.
Oh, is that in Dungeons and Dragons?
Yeah, it's like a thing that kind of screams at you from the trees, and then you take psychological damage.
That sounds suspiciously close to. I joined this self-help group called the Tree Screamers. And, I was looking to better myself for my boys, for my family and stuff. And before I knew it, none of this was online.
I would be really concerned if it was.
No. There's a bulletin board and then a paper and then, little things. You tear off a number. You call the number and, need help? You're looking down, you're feeling, blah, 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 blah. Yep, that's what I need. So I call them up and they said to me, you sound like you need to be a tree screamer. I'm like, well, that sounds fucking rad, right?
Okay.
So
you just believe them?
Huh? Well, I went to a meeting, right? If you're legit, you have meetings. Right. So I went to a meeting.
Okay.
And they told me, look inside myself. I did not know what the fuck they meant. And that's when I knew I needed more help. I looked inside myself and I didn't, I was like tried and nope. And they're like, no. And then they ask you a series of questions, what's your vision? What do you value? What's your why? What's your what? What's your how? All the questions they ask you, what's yours, right? Then they break you off into groups and then they have these big trees hollowed out. You get in a tree with a partner and then they close like a little blanket over the top of you. And then you're in there until, one of you breaks, right? And then that person leaves, and then the person that remains, you go to the next level of tree screamers, and then you got to write them a couple traveler's checks. So you give them some traveler's checks, and the next thing you know, you get up to be like the top level, like the forest level, like tree screamer. And then the leader leaves us with all of our fucking money, and you're just stuck in a tree, and then you learn what self-help is. Because nobody's getting you out of that tree but yourself. You see what I'm saying? You got to get out of that tree yourself. And guess who's helping you? No one. Yourself is helping you. So now I know what self-help is.
Chuck, this kind of sounds like a LARP.
Huh?
Or maybe, or a scam. Either I think all of these people were playing like real life D&D, or I
That's
think,
Dungeons and Dragons.
Yeah.
All right.
I think you got scammed.
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, because I got out of the tree.
Well, I got off of the website.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so that's something.
Yeah.
That's something.
I don't think that means that you didn't get scammed.
No, it's I got to be honest. Somebody helped me out of the tree. He sent me a thing called a mage hand.
Sorry.
You ever see the Addams Family?
Yeah.
You ever see the Addams Family?
Yeah.
This fucking hand just crawled up the fucking tree and it reached out to me and I grabbed the mage hand and I'm like, okay, and I grabbed, and this fucking hand, it pulls me right out of the tree and I fell on the ground and I blacked out. And then somebody's like, roll for healing, roll for healing. And I woke up and like, roll for healing, like 20 points of healing. And and they're like, come with us, come with us. I don't know what the fuck.
You really had me concerned, but yeah, no, that just honestly just sounds like a self-help LARP. I've been to a bunch of them.
What?
Yeah, it's like a bunch of people, you go into a forest, you hang out, it like costs a bit of money, you kind of, you know, sometimes it's tree screamers, sometimes it's like water gurglers.
Water
It's usually in
gurgle.
a pool if it's water gurglers.
Oh yeah, I don't go near the water. Yeah.
Yeah, it'd ruin your traveler's checks.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Yeah. You probably have to pay by, no, it'd ruin your phone, you can't pay digital either. I usually pay in cash on those ones.
Are you still in this group?
Yeah.
Which group are you in?
I'm one of what they call the peasants.
Peasants.
Yeah. We're just like random NPC people that just like hang out.
NPC people.
Means like non-player characters.
Oh, fuck, what?
Yeah, it's like when you're not very important.
All right, okay. All right. They told me, when they looked at me, they thought I was a ranger. What the fuck's that mean?
Probably means you.
Does your group need a ranger? I mean, that's what I'm asking. I got traveler's checks. I'm hoping to have some.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, well,
Because I'll go in there with you.
I
go in there with you and I'll convince these people to get your money back.
I can't play again unless I have enough to play, so.
Oh, well, we got to get your money. We got to get your money, we got to get my traveler's checks.
Well, you know what a ranger would do?
What?
He'd go in there with his animal companion, which I guess would be me, and we'd just like roll for initiative.
All right. I know that part, because they say roll for initiative, and then like I don't know what the fuck, but then they all beat the shit out of you. They roll for initiative, and then all of a sudden they beat the shit out of me, and I wake up and somebody's yelling, roll for healing, and then I'm back up again.
Yeah, I get that a lot. Peasants aren't very strong.
All right. Let's go in there and get your money back. Let's go in there and get my traveler's checks, son.
Dad? Hi, I'm Alec, an improviser and voice actor. If you enjoyed that show, consider checking out another one, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you know when the next one's uploaded. Bye!